Be My Actor Playlist Talk! Yan. So basically, what's gonna happen is, dun sa tatlong top 3 na pinaka kilala or sikat sa Pilipinas na drama ni Kim Ji-won, we will discuss the behind-the-scenes episodes tsaka yung mga playlist na personally chosen by Kim Ji-won herself. So, ready na ba kayo? Alright. So, let's have our first drama. There you go! Yay! Talaga naman. Paulit natin yan. So, Yoon Myung-ju from Descendants of the Sun, a character na talaga namang strong, with unwavering thought. So in the Philippines, it received a lot of attention. And you know, it was also remade into a Filipino version. There was a Filipino, did you know about that?
네, 들었습니다.
Okay.
Yes, narinig ko.
Yes. Not only here, pero marami rin hindi lang sa Pilipinas ni-remake to. Iba-ibang parts din ng mundo. How do you feel about it? Na-remake. Feelings mo doon? Bakit naman may panubo sa tingin? Bakit ba tawa?
저는 너무 이제 감사하고 또 태양의 화라는 작품에서 이제 윤명주 역할을 제가 연기를 했다 보니까 이게 다른 나라의 시각으로 바라보면 또 어떻게 재미있는 전개가 될까, 또 제 역할은 어떤 분이 또 멋있게 연기를 해주실까, 이런 부분들이 좀 기대가 됐었습니다.
Well, when I heard that it was being remade into different countries and different versions, I was very excited and looking forward. How will they actually show off the character of Yoon Myung-ju in their own respective countries? And to hear and to see the different versions of it, it was very thrilling talaga.
Pero, of course, nasa tabi natin ang original. Diba, na character. So, I have a question. Can you still do the military salute for us? Okay, the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3.
단결.
Bakit parang ang ganda niya? Song na pinapakinggan niya para ma-immerse sa character niya na Yoon Myung-ju. So, music please. Wow! That's I Will Always Miss You by Sun E. Right? So, balita namin, bago pa ikaw pananganak, narilis na nung kantang to. Totoo ba? Ang chismis?
저는 옛날 노래를 좀 많이 듣기도 하고, 특히나 이 곡은 저희 어머니께서 굉장히 좋아하시던 곡이에요. 그래서 어렸을 때부터 즐겨 들었었는데,
Actually, yes, I do love listening to old musics, and I've heard this song from my mom. Dahil my mom was actually love this song, and narinig ko siya habang lumalaki ako.
Right.